Hey everyone, it's great to have you back on Skill Ful Solutions. Today we will explore how to monetize your CANVA skills and make some serious money. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you won't miss any future money making tips. Now, let's get started with the first way you can make money with CANVA. Offering custom design services. Many entrepreneurs and small business need eye-catching designs for their logos, social media posts, and marketing materials. You can create a portfolio of your design on Canva and promote your services through social media platforms, freelance websites, and local business communities. Next up, selling printable designs and templates on Canva is a lucrative option. People are always on lookout for beautiful printable designs for events like weddings, birthdays, and other special occasions. You can design invitations, posters, planners, and more, and then list them on Etsy or other digital marketplaces. It's an excellent way to earn passive income. Did you know you can create and sell online courses related to Canva? If you're a Canva pro, share your knowledge with others. Create step-by-step tutorial, tips, and tricks on using Canva for various purposes. Websites like Udemy and Skillshare are perfect platforms to host your courses and reach a broader audience. Another exciting way to make money with Canva is by designing and selling merchandise. You can use Canva to create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Platforms like Printful and Teespring allow you to upload your designs, and they handle the printing and shipping while you earn a commission on each sale. Are you a social media influencer or content creator? Well, Canva can help you here too. Create eye-catching graphics for your posts, stories, and videos. Engaging visuals will attract more followers and improve your content's overall quality. With a larger following, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored posts and promotions. Lastly, consider starting a Canva-focused YouTube channel like ours. Share design tips, hacks, tutorials with your audience. As your channel grows, you can earn money through YouTube's partner program and even get sponsored by design-related companies. It's a win-win for your passion and your pocket. There you have it, fantastic ways to make money with Canva. Remember, turning your creativity into cash takes time and dedication, so don't be discouraged if results aren't immediate. Keep honing your skills, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun while doing it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your creative friends. Also, let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try first. Don't forget to subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos.